So yeah, so eventually what we do is we even do not read the next question. This is what happens, right? When we are not able to even understand what the question is, how the even the sample test case got evaluated, you know. So so for example, you are able to solve two questions. Next target would be for three questions, and also after this thing after the test. So what you can do is remove the time frame of it, so the time constraint of it. So competitive coding has a time constraint on it, right? So lunchtime usually has 3 hours. So just try to attempt it later. And for example, you have a day, you just try to give it 1 day to solve that problem, and whatever you come up with, do not discard the solution, keep the solution. And when the editorials come out now, so you go part by part how they have implemented, and somewhere now you will be able to see how which part your logic and the problem setter's logic change paths. So this is where you incrementally improve your problem solving ability. So this is what I do. Even someone else would have a different approach for that.